We spend so much money on creams, serums, and all these expensive treatments that promise us youthful skin. But what if I told you the real secret to turning back the clock wasn't in a bottle at all? What if it's actually hiding inside our own bodies, just waiting for us to unlock it? Well, let's dive in and find out. So that's really the big question, isn't it? We're going to look at an ancient, totally natural remedy that modern science is now backing up. It's something that can nourish your body from the inside out, creating a kind of deep, lasting change that, honestly, no cream you put on your skin could ever hope to match. All right, let's meet our hero ingredient, Amla. You might also know it as the Indian gooseberry. Now, this thing is a legendary superfood in Ayurvedic tradition. We're talking used for centuries. And the cool part is, modern research is finally catching up and proving just how insanely powerful its anti-aging properties really are. Okay, get ready for this, because the potency we're talking about here is just incredible. Amla has a staggering 20 times more vitamin C than an orange. And it's not just any vitamin C. It's naturally bound with these things called tannins, which act like a protective shield, protecting it from damage and making it way more effective for our bodies. And this is really what makes Amla so special. It has its own unique secret weapon, a group of antioxidants called emblicanates. You literally cannot find these anywhere else in nature. And they are absolutely crucial for repairing our skin cells and firing up collagen production. That's the stuff that keeps our skin firm, smooth, and looking young. But here's the twist, and it's a big one. So many people try Amla and nothing happens. They hear about all these amazing benefits, they take it every day, and they see no results at all. So that creates a kind of paradox, right? If this stuff is so powerful, why doesn't it seem to work for everybody? Well, it turns out the problem isn't the Amla, it's us. Or to be more specific, it's our own digestive system. See, our gut has these enzymes that are designed to break down big compounds. And unfortunately, those same enzymes can act like a bouncer at a club, blocking the most powerful stuff in Amla and just flushing it out before our body ever gets to use it. And this leads to two huge mistakes that people make all the time. First, heating or cooking it. That heat just obliterates those delicate, powerful antioxidants. And second, taking it all by itself, without a special key ingredient that can get past our body's own defense system. If you make these mistakes, you're pretty much getting zero benefit from the Amla. So that's the big question, right? If our own body is blocking Amla's power, how in the world do we get around it? Well, science has found a really simple, totally natural key that can basically tell those defenses to take a break for a minute, unlocking Amla's full anti-aging power. Let's see how it works. The key is a compound called piperine. And believe it or not, it's the active ingredient in something you definitely have in your kitchen, black pepper. What piperine does is it temporarily hits the pause button on those gut enzymes that block absorption. This creates this perfect little window of opportunity for all those amazing antioxidants to get right into your bloodstream and start doing their job. Okay, so now that we get the science, we can put it all together. And this isn't just a random list of ingredients. This is the perfect anti-aging recipe, a formula that's actually designed for maximum impact. Here it is. It's super simple. You need 1 teaspoon of Amla powder. Make sure it's cold pressed or freeze dried to keep those antioxidants intact. Then a little pinch of black pepper for that all-important piperine. We're also adding about ½ an inch of fresh ginger, which has its own awesome anti-inflammatory benefits. And finally, ½ a teaspoon of raw honey, which tastes great and has its own good stuff too. Now, putting it together is easy, but you have to follow one critical rule. Are you listening? Mix everything in lukewarm water. I'm going to say it again. Never, ever use hot water. Just like cooking, high heat will absolutely destroy the good stuff you're trying to get. And what about timing? The absolute magic window is first thing in the morning on a totally empty stomach. Why? Well, think about it. When you're in that fasted state, those blocking enzymes in your gut are way less active. This gives the piperine an even bigger head start to make sure you absorb everything. Just make sure you wait about 30 minutes before you eat or drink anything else. Now, you're going to see some incredible changes in your skin, your hair, and your nails. But honestly, that's just the tip of the iceberg. This is about so much more than just what you see on the outside. This is about total body wellness. I mean, just look at this list. We're talking about boosting your metabolism and helping your digestion, strengthening your immune system, helping to balance your hormones naturally, and a huge one, reducing the internal inflammation that causes so many problems. It even helps detox your liver and purify your blood. So this is not just a beauty drink, it's like a full body reset button. So you see, when you understand how these simple, natural ingredients work together, you can go way beyond just surface level treatments and create real, profound, lasting change. It's totally possible. The only question left is, are you ready to transform your health from the inside out?